If you've ever thought about buying a used car or SUV, you already know how dangerous the market can be. Everyone claims their car is well-maintained. Every seller says it's reliable. And yet 3 months later, you're standing on the side of the road with smoke pouring out of the hood, your hard-earned money gone. And here's the truth nobody wants to tell you. Most used cars under $5,000 are financial traps. They're designed to drain you repairs, breakdowns, and hidden problems that cost more than the car itself. But there's a small group of vehicles that don't play by those rules. Cars and SUVs that defy the stereotype. Machines so well engineered that they can outlast owners, survive decades, and still run like new, while others crumble around them. These aren't the glamorous, overpriced cars dealers want you to chase. These are the underground legends of reliability, the ones mechanics secretly respect, the ones Consumer Reports keeps praising, the ones that ordinary people buy once and never let go. And here's the scary part. If you don't know which models these are, you're almost guaranteed to waste money. Think about it. Why do some families drive the same car for 15 or even 20 years, while others trade theirs every 2? It's not luck. It's not random chance. It's knowledge. Knowledge about which cars never break. And once you have that knowledge, you'll never fear buying used again. That's exactly what I'm about to give you. The truth about 12 used cars and SUVs under $5,000 that are practically indestructible. Forget fancy features, forget resale games. These are the vehicles that refuse to die, the ones that can carry you another 100,000 miles without begging for repairs. If you're tired of getting scammed by shiny ads and dishonest sellers, pay attention, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which models to hunt for and which ones to run from. 1. Toyota Corolla. The Corolla isn't just a car, it's a survival tool. Mechanics joke that the only way to kill a Corolla is to stop changing the oil for 10 years straight. That's how bulletproof this machine is. Under $5,000, you'll find older models that still purr like they rolled out of the factory yesterday. Think about this. Millions of people buy them, abuse them, and still pass them on. Why? Because Toyota engineered this car to embarrass every other compact sedan. It's cheap, reliable, and if you buy one, you'll almost never see a mechanic again. 2. Honda Civic. The Civic is the car that refuses to die. College students crash them, new drivers abuse them, and still they keep running. Why? Because Honda designed the Civic like a tank disguised as a compact car. For under $5,000, you can pick up an older model that'll still give you 30-40 mpg and outlast cars twice its price. Every single part is easy to find, every mechanic knows how to fix it, and repairs cost pennies. Buy one, and you basically buy freedom from constant headaches. 3. Toyota Camry. If the Corolla is Toyota's brain, the Camry is its heart. Families trust it for one reason: it just doesn't break. These cars have been passed down through generations like family heirlooms. You can find one with 200,000 miles, and it'll feel like it has another 200,000 left in it. And unlike most cheap sedans, the Camry gives you space, comfort, and silence on the road. When people say Toyota reliability, this is the car they're really talking about. 4. Honda Accord. The Accord is the older brother of the Civic, bigger, smarter, more refined, yet just as unstoppable. This car gives you everything: room, power, comfort, and the same Honda reliability that mechanics quietly admire. Under $5,000, you'll probably see models from the early 2000s. And here's the shocking truth: they'll still be running when the 2025 models are being scrapped. If you want reliability with a touch of luxury, the Accord is the sweet spot. 5. Toyota RAV4. Now let's step into SUVs. The RAV4 is the definition of small but mighty. It's not flashy, but it's the SUV that never quits. Perfect for families, road trips, or just daily abuse, it doesn't matter. These things hold up against rust, rough roads, and even neglect. For under $5,000, you'll probably get an older model. But here's the secret: those older ones are often tougher than the newer ones. It's the SUV you buy once and keep forever. 6. Honda CR-V. If you're hunting for an SUV that mixes practicality with indestructibility, the CR-V is your answer. Honda built it with the same DNA as the Civic, meaning it just doesn't quit but gave it extra space and power. People buy these, push them past 250,000 miles, and still sell them for good money. Think about that. A car that holds value even after outliving its competition. Under $5,000, you'll find one that still has a decade of life left in it. 7. Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the quiet killer in the SUV world. It's bigger, tougher, and designed to take abuse without flinching. This is the SUV families use for long road trips, heavy loads, and everyday punishment. And guess what? It still comes back for more. For under $5,000, you'll get an older Highlander, but don't be fooled. These things age like stone. As long as you keep up with oil changes, you'll own an SUV that feels indestructible. 8. Lexus ES300, Toyota's luxury secret. Here's the trick most people don't know. The Lexus ES300 is basically a luxury Toyota Camry in disguise. Same reliability, but wrapped in leather, wood trim, and comfort. You can find them under $5,000 because people think luxury means expensive repairs, but not this one. The ES300 is Toyota reliability wearing a tuxedo. Buy it, and you'll own a car that makes you feel rich, while secretly costing you less than a budget sedan to maintain. 9. Subaru Outback. The Outback is the car for people who live where the roads are rough, winters are brutal, or adventure calls every weekend. With its all-wheel drive, it's like a mountain goat on wheels. Now, yes, Subarus sometimes get a bad rep for head gasket issues, but here's the catch. If you find one that's been maintained, it'll last forever. Under $5,000, this is the SUV that gives you freedom to go anywhere without breaking your wallet. 10. Ford Crown Victoria. You know what car police and taxi companies used for decades? The Crown Vic. Why? Because it's nearly indestructible, built like a tank, simple to repair, and designed to run all day, every day, without complaining. You can still find them dirt cheap, and they'll give you more life than cars half their age. If a vehicle can handle cop chases and 300,000 miles of taxi abuse, imagine what it'll do for you. 11. Toyota Tacoma. Older models. The Tacoma is the small pickup that refuses to die. Farmers, construction workers, and outdoor adventurers have trusted it for decades. Even beat-up Tacomas still hold insane resale value because everyone knows they last forever. Under $5,000, you won't get a shiny new truck, you'll get an older workhorse that'll keep hauling, keep climbing, and keep starting every morning no matter what you throw at it. 12. Honda Odyssey. Yes, the minivan. Laugh all you want, but the Odyssey is secretly one of the toughest family vehicles ever built. Families run them past 250,000 miles without breaking a sweat. It's roomy, it's practical, and it's cheap to fix. Under $5,000, this van is a goldmine for reliability. And here's the funny part. Because people overlook minivans, you can snag one for less money than a smaller car, and it'll last twice as long. So here's the truth. You now know the 12 cars and SUVs under $5,000 that almost never break. These are the vehicles mechanics respect, dealers hate to see you buy, and owners swear by for life. If you're serious about avoiding breakdowns and financial pain, one of these cars is your golden ticket. But let's be real, everyone has a story about that one car that just wouldn't die. Maybe it was your dad's old Corolla that ran even after the speedometer stopped working. Maybe it was a Civic you drove into the ground, but it still begged for more. Or maybe you owned the one nightmare car that drained your wallet like a leaky faucet. I want to know your story. Drop it in the comments. What's the most reliable car you've ever owned, or the biggest disaster? Trust me, your answer will prove whether these cars really are legends, or if there's a hidden gem we all missed. And who knows, your comment might convince someone else which car to chase or which one to run from.